Hi, I'm Walmart Chef Darcy Boss, and we're going to be making foil pack dinners. This is another installment in our $20 Meals for 4 series. Let's get started. Pie crust, chicken, potatoes, salsa, pepper, salt, foil. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Add your chicken, your potatoes, your salt, your pepper, and your salsa to a bowl. Make sure to mix it really well. Cut your pie crust in half and add filling to one side. Fold pie crust over and pinch edges together. Add to foil, fold, and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Enjoy! Potatoes, red beans, Cajun seasoning, olive oil, onions, andouille sausage. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Add your sausage, your onions, your potatoes, your red beans, seasoning, and olive oil to a bowl. Toss that all together. Add it to foil and fold up. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes. Enjoy! Chicken, ranch, wing sauce, carrots and celery, and fries. Add your wing sauce and ranch packet to a bowl. Mix that together. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Add your chicken and stir. Add your chicken and fries to foil and fold over. Bake 20 to 30 minutes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more recipes, subscribe to our Walmart Chef series on YouTube.